Sinama-sama ang lahat ng illegal na droga na itanan over sa PDEA at sa SOCO. Ito ang cocaine at kush o high-grade marijuana na natagpuan sa West Philippine Sea, sa dagat at sa baybaying dagat ng Barangay Bagong Bayan dito sa Puerto Princesa. Ang lahat ng ito ay may halagang higit 350 million pesos. Muli itong ipinakita sa publiko sa pamamagitan ng destruction o pagsunog na ginanap sa Puerto Princesa City New Public Cemetery kahapon, October 28, 2025. Dinaluhan ito ng PDEA National, PDEA Mimaropa, PDEA Palawan, City Government, Provincial Government, Western Naval Command, SOCO, Philippine Coast Guard, mga witness kabilang ang DOJ, media, barangay officials at iba pang organisasyon.
Today is not just a ceremonial act of destruction of dangerous drugs. It is a powerful declaration, a message to every community, every barangay, and every Filipino that the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, together with our partners in the local government, other law enforcement agencies, and the community, will never allow illegal drugs to find a home in the city of Living God, as the city of Puerto Princesa is called.
Muling sinuri ang lahat ng illegal na droga.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now witnessing these microcolor screening tests. The change in color indicates the presence of cannabis.
At pagkatapos, dinala na ito sa crematorium. At doon na tuluyang sinunog ang lahat. May halo itong krudo, kaya itim ang usok.
Two hours yung pong itatagal para masunog lahat-lahat ng mga drug item na yun. Ang isang salang, lagpas 30 to 40 minutes. 3 salang daw yun eh. Sobrang dami ho kasi.
Muling nagpahayag ng pagsuporta ang city at provincial government sa law enforcers dito sa Palawan.
Together, tayong lahat, let's continue to build a city and a country, a nation that is not only beautiful and progressive, but also safe, disciplined, peaceful, and drug-free. I want to assure everyone here today that the city government remains fully committed to this aspiration.
Gerald Gales, Basta Radyo, i-bandera mo.